Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Lift Flow Grow. My name is Christina and welcome to my beginner series. I created those videos focused on proper alignment, how to do the poses properly, how to get in and get out safely. We're gonna use a lot of props, so if you have a block, that will be great. If you don't have a block, no worries, just get a book. That will do it. We're gonna use a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can use a belt or your shirt. If you have sensitive knees, I highly recommend using a blanket. So let's get started in child's pose. As you find your child's pose, grab a block, slide it underneath the forehead, let your head drop, allow your arms to be heavy, let the shoulders soften, let your hips be heavy on your heels. Invite your breath, deepen your inhalations, and lengthen your exhalations. Try to apply everything that we learned from the last videos today here in this practice. All the alignments, all the use of the props. Slowly make your way up to tabletop. Stack your joints, shoulders right on top of the wrists, hips right on top of the knees. Cat-cow stretch. Inhale, drop the belly down, look up, sit bones up. Exhale, push the floor away from you, round the back. Pull the belly in, let the tailbone tuck, and let the crown of the head drop. Inhale, drop the belly down, wheel the chest forward, sit bones up. Exhale, round the back, push the floor away from you. Inhale, drop the belly down, look up. And exhale, round the back, push the floor away from you. Come back to neutral spine, grab your blocks, place them underneath your hands. Tuck your toes under and lift the hips up and back for your first downward facing dog. Root down through your hands here, through the palms of the hands. Bend the knees. Lift up from your wrists. Send the heart, let the heart melt. Pull the belly in and send the hips up and away from you. Slowly shift forward into high plank. Pull the belly in. Tuck the tailbone down, lengthen from the crown of the head all the way back to your heels, glide back into downward facing dog. See if you can straighten your knees here maybe. Keep pushing through the hands, keep lifting through the hips. Pull your belly in, glide back into high plank, warming up the shoulder joints here. The gaze is down, the neck is long in your plank. Lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Keep breathing as you are moving. Look to the top of the mat. Come up on your toes and walk forward towards your hands, coming into forward fold Uttanasana. At the top of the mat, inhale, create a flat back. Halfway lift, gaze is down, the neck is long. Exhale, fold forward, let the head drop. Inhale one more time, create a flat back. You can use your blocks, pull the belly in. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. One more time, inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. And exhale, fold forward. Let the head drop. Ground down through the feet as you come all the way up. Reach the arms up and bring the hands down. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold forward, Sun Salutation A. Place your hands down on the blocks. Step back, plank pose. Lower down on the knees or knees up. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. And exhale, downward facing dog. Lift the hips up and back. Pull your belly in. Let the heart melt. Right leg up. Step the foot between the hands. Lower the back knee down, untuck the toes, low lunge. Keep your blocks the way they are. Left hand down on the block, right arm up, twist. Twist from your belly all the way up to the left shoulder as you reach past your left fingertips. Bring your right fingertips. Bring your right hand down, step back in plank, and lift the hips up and back for downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up, lift from the inner thigh, bend the knee in, shift forward, and step the foot between the hands. Lower the right knee down, untuck your toes. Right hand down on the block on the inside of the left foot, left hand up, twist, open the chest up towards the sky. Place your left hand down, step back in plank, and lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Come on your toes, look forward, make your way forward to the top of the mat, coming into forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, create a flat back. Exhale, fold. Press down as you come all the way up and bring the hands down by your side. Inhale, reach the arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Place your hands down, step back in plank pose. Lower down on the knees, lower yourself all the way down. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Look to the top of the mat, come on your toes, walk forward. Coming into forward fold. Inhale, create a flat back. Exhale, fold. Press down as you come all the way up, mountain pose. Bring the hands down by your side. Find the top of your mat. Keep your blocks the way they are. And lunge back with your right foot. Bend the left knee and reach the arms up and over the head. Coming into high lunge. Stay active in your back leg. Pull your belly in as you lengthen through the sides of the body. Reach past your fingertips as you commit to the bend of the front leg. Bring the block on the inside of the left leg. Right hand down, left arm up, twist. Pull the left hip in and send the right hip forward. As you roll the chest open to the sky, bring the left hand down, step back in your plank, and lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. If you want to work on your upper body strength, you can add a plank all the time. Walk forward to the top of the mat, inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold, press down into the feet as you come all the way up. Lunge back with the left foot, bend the right knee, reach the arms up, high lunge. Stay active in the back leg, pull the belly in, reach past your fingertips as you lengthen through the sides of the body. Left hand down on the block, right arm up, twist. Pull the right hip in, send the left hip forward as you roll the chest up towards the sky. Place your right hand down, step back in plank. Lower your knees down, lower yourself down, inhale, upward facing dog or cobra, and exhale, downward facing dog. Look to the top of the mat, come on your toes, walk forward, coming into your forward fold, inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold, press down as you come all the way up, and bring the hands down by your side. Find the top of the mat, lunge back with your right foot, make sure your feet are hip width apart, bring the back heel down for warrior one, toes at 45 degrees, bend the left knee, reach the arms forward. Ground down through the back heel as you commit to the bend of the front leg. Bring your hands on your hips, lift the back heel. Place your blocks at the front of the mat. Place your hands on your blocks as you lift your back leg up for warrior 3. Pull your belly in. Square your hips to the front of the mat. The gaze is down, the neck is long. Glide back into high lunge. Bring the back heel down. Lift the arms up, warrior 1. Clasp your hands and pull the clasp away from you. Windmill the hands down. Step back in plank. Lower down, halfway down, inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Look forward to the top of the mat, come on your toes and walk forward. Inhale, create a flat back. Exhale, fold. Root down as you come all the way up and bring the hands down by your side. Find the top of your mat. Lunge back with the left foot. Feet hip-width apart. Bring the left heel down. Bend the right knee. Reach the arms up. You're in warrior 1. Bring your hands on your hips. Lift the back heel. Place the hands on the blocks as you lift the back foot up. Pull your belly in to find your balance. Coming into warrior 3. Flex your back foot, lengthen through the heel. And if you are brave enough, you can lift the arms up. Pull your belly in, square the hips down to the front of the mat. Lunge back into warrior 1. Reach the arms up, clasp your hands and pull the clasp away from you as you commit to the bend of the front leg. Windmill the hands down. Step back in plank. Lower your knees down, lower yourselves down. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Bring your knees down and sit back and rest in your child's pose. I hope you enjoyed that video. For more videos like that, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.